The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Good. Yeah, me good man. If I have life, I go, me have life. I'm not dead, you know. Is that dead somebody else look on? Life, somebody will look on you and talk to you, you know. Oh, I see things, I know things. Eh? What going to happen from this, so what going to happen? I want you to go on down the yard and leave me. Show me, girl.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, is it? Now, there is speculations and allegations out there about the female who goes by the name of Candy Wow. You see me? Now, one of those allegations and speculations is that Candy Wow is said to be homeless. You see me? Now, for those who might not remember who's Candy Wow or might not know, you see me? Candy Wow became popular on social media and so on, you know, by a slang, or you could say words that is known as "can I get a wow," or call the ambulance wow wow wow, or just using the word wow. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and you know, there is more things that is being said or had been said about Candy Wow, is what I'm saying to you, but I'm going to leave it right there and I'm going to move on to two more topics right about now. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I have two more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? And you know, I'm just going to explain while I move along to make things move a little faster. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to what has been said about it on social media, is that this video shows of a robbery that had happened somewhere within the parish of Manchester, that is of the country of Jamaica, on the 27th of April 2020. Now, according to reports, it is said that the person had been robbed of about $2 million in local and foreign currencies. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, please bear in mind, you know, that what I just told you is according to what has been said in reports out there, and it might not be word for word or accurate as to how it had been said in reports out there. You get what I'm saying to you? But I'm just explaining to you according to how I understand it. All right. Now, I'm going to show you this video right about now, viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You know, and it's a short video. It's not really a long video. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, for those who might not like to see videos of robberies or so on, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look and observe.
Junction OST from Supervisor K.
Yeah, man, right up, sir.
478 5408. 478 5408. Right, repeat that number.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media, and it is said that this video shows of a robbery that had happened within the parish of Manchester, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, I'm going to present the next video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? And this video is out on social media as well. And according to some of the things that had been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that had been said in this video as well, you see me, it would seem as if this video shows of a female who is saying that her husband is or had cheated on her, and it is said that the person that is said to be the husband is said to be a Jamaican. You get what I'm saying to you? Yes, so this video is out on social media, you know, and it's getting somewhat of a buzz on social media. Comments have been made about this video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. You see me? Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to show you the video right about now, but please bear in mind that this video contains languages that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look and observe.
My so-called husband, this is his new apartment. And I'm waiting on him. He's nowhere to come out. You know? This is new apartment. I'm here waiting on him to come out. Him not come out. David! I'm outside. Come out, David. Come out, because this is not your apartment, you know, David. This is not your apartment in Brooklyn. You live at 420. So what are you doing here? Come out, David. Come out. Come out. Why are you in there? Come out, David, or you come to 423 and take out your stuff out my apartment. Come out, Mr. David. Your car is there. You can't hide, nigga. Get out, motherfucker. Huh? You and come outside. Come outside. Yeah. The motherfucker ain't coming outside. But I have all day. I'm gonna be here. And I'm gonna be waiting on him. I'm gonna see if he think I'm going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere, motherfucker. I'm gonna be outside waiting on you, okay? Remember that, motherfucker. Yeah, him car park right down there. Yeah, we're gonna walk to the car, okay? Yeah, motherfucker, you better get the fuck out. You know? Come home, motherfucker, and take out your stuff. You fucking... Get out, motherfucker. You ain't coming out. No, you ain't coming out, right? You love drama. This is what I get early in the morning. Drama you love. Get out. Huh. All right. Let me go show you the car, guys. I ain't lying. I ain't lying, you know. I don't have time to lie. See him car there? This is the apartment. Him car there right there, sir. Let me show you him car. Him like this grace, so we give him this grace, you know. Them not like good man. Them like this grace. So, you give them this grace. This same car. Him not living in Brooklyn. Same car here. All the time him tell me, oh, him there in brother house. Same car right here. See? This I look. See license plate there? That's him. Yeah. Yeah. Him brother living in the no him there. Every day him tell me same day, brother. This is where they look. But I'm waiting for him. I have all day to wait on that motherfucker. All motherfucking day. All day. Get the fuck out. All day. Yeah, motherfucker, I've all day waiting for... Yeah, look. See him? Look at him coming out. I've all day waiting on you. Yeah, all motherfucking day. Come out, motherfucker. Come out. Yeah, come out. A woman you want. Come out. I hope she can give you your fucking 10-year green card. Because where do you come up and come scam me? You come up and come scam me. You get your 2-year green card. And you think say you have your 10 years. I hope she can give it to you. Get out, motherfucker. Don't peep. Get the fuck out. Like and share Facebook. Like and share. This needs to go viral. See my peep there? Don't peep. Get the fuck out. Get out. Don't peep. Yeah, look for your car. Don't peep. Get the fuck out, cheater. Yeah, 420. Yes, hi neighbors. Sorry to wake you guys up, but my husband in there fucking up. And he's supposed to be home. All I do is work and come home. And when I work, he come here and fuck. I work and pay all the bills. This motherfucker don't do nothing but fuck. I bring him from Jamaica, give him green card, and this is what I get. Come on, motherfucker. Come out, you and your... Come out. You cheating motherfucker. Why you turn back? You make sure you come get your stuff out my house. You fucking cheating motherfucker. Like and share Facebook. Like and fucking share. This is what you get for bringing a fucking from Jamaica. He live at 423. And look where him end up. 420. Get the fuck out. Huh? Every night him go away. Every day him go away. And this is where him adopt me for a piece of little girl. This is where the old fucker adopt me for. A little piece of idiot girl. You know? 3 fucking jobs I work to make this motherfucker look good. 3 jobs! 3 jobs I work to make this motherfucker look good. You like disgrace, motherfucker? Yeah, you think I'm so quiet, eh? I'm not that quiet, motherfucker. You come and get your stuff out my house. Why you turn back? Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Yeah, people, sorry to wake you up, neighbor, but that's my fucking husband, my so-called husband that I bring from Jamaica. All he do is cheat on me. Tell me that he's at his brother's house in Brooklyn all the time. Every day he's at his brother's house. He spend no time with me. We don't do nothing together. We don't do nothing. All he do is fucking fuck this. That's all he do. I work 3 jobs and all he do is cheat. Work, cheat. All he do is cheat. See him there come out Facebook? See him there? Yeah, that's the right there. See him there? See him there Facebook? See the yes. But glad to see him. That's his new apartment now, motherfucker. You make sure you go to 420 and take your fucking clothes off, dumb. Alright, Facebook, the drama. See him the Facebook? Let me just reverse.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that is out on social media where it is said that a female is saying that her husband is cheating on her, and it is said that the husband is a Jamaican, you see me? And you know, viewers and subscribers, you know, this video, like for real, this video is getting buzz on social media. I mean, this video out on social media where persons, you know, commented on this video, viewers and subscribers. So I said to you, I mean, like some things that has been said, you know, I not even want to repeat some of the things that has been said about this video. You see, some of the comments positive, some, you know, negative comments. So I said to you, you know, persons talk about the whole green card part, and you know, the fact that the person is a Jamaican, and you know, the person which is said to be the female that is saying that the husband is cheating, and you know, things have been said about this video. You see it, and you know, and because this video is getting such a buzz on social media, I say, you know what, maybe my viewers and subscribers need to see something like this. So I say to you, because you know, persons out there might have gone through things like this. So I say, and when I say might, I shouldn't even say might, because it's not the first I say videos out there where it says that someone is cheating. So I say to you, alright, so I bring that video to you because, you know, it's out on social media, it'll get a buzz, and, you know, I there to keep you, my viewers and subscribers, up to date and make you know what I want. You get me? And I also brought the other 2 videos to you because they are also out on social media. Here's what I'm saying to you, and, you know, like I said, I'm here to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. You see me? And, you can let me know what you think about these videos, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you, and this is where I leave it. So, until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.